Welcome to project number 7 of this Excel macro and VBA course. Now before we jump in, get our hands dirty and start to build this new procedure and automate this experience, I want to introduce you to project number 7 and the skills and techniques that you're going to master as you go through this discussion. So take a look. Open in front of you, I've got the completed version of this project that you're about to complete. Now I'm going to run the macro and take you step by step through what you're about to create here. So first step, I'm going to go up to my View tab, I'm going to go to Macros, and I'm going to go to View Macros. Now I've got a single procedure, a single macro in here called Import Text File, and this is the one that you're about to create. If I run it, this will open up a browse window, just your typical Windows browser, your Windows Explorer. And up here at the top, I can see that it says select file or files to import. Now, I've got a whole bunch of text files in here. These are text tab delimited files. These could be CSV files. This could be any format of text file that you would typically import into Excel. Now, I could grab one of them, or I could grab multiple. I'm going to grab a few here. I'll grab like every other one: April, February, March, and November. So what we're doing here is we're automating the experience that users are now going to have to import simple text files into Excel. You run our macro, you get prompted for the file or files that you want to import, you select them, you hit open, give it just a moment, my macro is running, and it's done. I've now created new sheets for each text file. There's November, March, February, April, they're all there, imported into Excel, all through our macro. So this is what you're about to create. We're going to go through several techniques here. We're going to talk about variables again. We're going to talk about loops. We're going to talk about the application object. We're going to talk about some properties and methods that the application object has, all to accomplish importing text files. You're also going to talk a little bit about Excel functions to create reusability in your code. Don't reinvent the wheel. Don't do that. Don't reinvent the wheel every time you need to accomplish something. Create a function. Get that function to do something really well and reuse it. So we're going to talk about a whole bunch of really neat techniques here. Get ready to master project number 7, importing external text files into Excel.